Hi everyone, welcome to WBP Stars. My name is Chef Reif Othman. Here we are at my restaurant, Reif Japanese Kushiyaki, down in Darwasa Mall. And here I would like to show you one of our top dishes that we sell here in Reif. So here we have a Wagyu beef from Australia, some flour, egg wash, and a panko bread. Alright, so first we coat. It's a very easy process. Tap the excess. Egg wash and panko. So now after this, we're gonna bring it over to the deep fryer. All right. I like my Wagyu sando to be medium rare. But of course, we are in Dubai. A lot of Emirati love their beef to be well done, mostly. But it's nice to have a medium rare and medium to have it. While we're waiting for that to cook, we're just gonna sear some beef. What's that was the fillet, Wagyu fillet, and here we have the Wagyu sirloin. So what will happen, you see the magic later on, okay? Buy some Wagyu fats. Idea is not to cook it too much, just like this here. More beef. I'm gonna mix our beef. So here we have a homemade, like a spicy dark sweet soy. This contains our soy sauce, honey, chili flake, garlic, and yeah, that's it. And we just cook it down. So have your mix. Toasted homemade milk bread. Here we have a Dijon mustard. By sando, Wagyu katsu, and here we have a katsu sauce. It's homemade too. down the slightly seared beef. So this is the special bits. Usually some places they just do the Wagyu beef katsu, bang on the bread, it's good enough. But me, I just like to do a little bit of extra stuff, a bit of uniqueness on it. I would say my touch. And just cut into four. Red sauce. Voila! So here we have our Japanese Wagyu katsu sando. Hi everyone, welcome to WBP Stars. My name is Chef Reif Othman. Here we are again in my restaurant, Reif Japanese Kushiyaki, down in Darwazal, Dubai. So here we like to show you one of our, again, signature dish will be our beef kushiyaki. So here we have a Angus beef that we secured, and here we have our marination that we're just gonna pour a little bit to give a bit of flavor on it. You can always do with salt and pepper if you like to, but me, I just give a little bit of flavor on the beef for me. Hot grill. plate it. And here we have our homemade black pepper teriyaki. A little bit of black pepper. Spring onion oil. And some chives. Here we are. Angus beef kushiyaki, black pepper teriyaki, and potato. Hi, welcome to WBP Stars. My name is Reif Othman. Here we are again in my restaurant, Reif Kushiyaki, down in Darwasa Mall, Dubai. Let's go. So here we're gonna make again one of our signature dish. Will be salmon, new style salmon sashimi. This is a Scottish salmon that we get from Scotland, fresh. Followed by a lemon soy dressing. Contains of soy sauce, lemon juice. Yep. And top it up with a homemade dan miso negi. It's a miso with a spring onion. Give a little bit of umami. Not too much. Then here we have a sushi rice that is left over that we didn't throw it. We keep it, we heat dried it, and it's a bit crispy. Sprinkle some on top, give it a crunch on the dish. Followed by sliced sisal leaf. And kiko flour just for color. A bit of lime zest. A bit of basil oil. And lemon oil. You have a raw salmon sashimi, lemon soy, and a negi miso. Enjoy! Hello everyone, hey, welcome to WBP Stars. I'm Chef Reif Othman. Here we are again in my restaurant, Reif Kushiyaki, down in Darwasa in Dubai. Here I would like to show you one of our signature that has been created since we opened. It's a simple melon from Italy, and we cure it with a kimchi sauce overnight just to cure it. And yeah, it's very plain, simple, and melon has always been very sweet. So here what I'm trying to achieve is you got your sweet, you got your tangy, you got your spicy, so it's a full punch of umami. I think for a start of your meal, it just opens up your palate. So yeah, it's very simple. So we just vacuum the melon, a little bit of kimchi sauce overnight, and we are good to go. course, some of the kimchi sauce on top. Now, I'm going to plate them. And kippenflauw. So here we are, our kimchi melon.